Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I am actually featuring a platform that I believe is going to be the marketing examples of startup regarding knowledges. Okay, so what I mean by that, as I have featured before, the marketing example, the website that is like highly valuable, and that have the purest form of contents, to be honest. Okay, so in this website that I gonna feature you today, obviously it has blog style content, but it has that kind of uh, pure contents. Okay, like what, I don't know what words to use, but it has like that kind of a great content. Okay, so that is over here. So let's just see what we have today. Okay, then we will actually understand like what I mean by that platform and all. Okay, now obviously there is nothing to show you, or like this is not a tutorial. Obviously it's not going to be tutorial of using a blog, because we all know how to read a blog. Like I'm not going to show you how to read, obviously, but I'm just going to show you the quality of content they are providing over here. Okay, so that's why let's jump into the video. So here is our today's platform, that is Wizen Guides or Wizen Guides, or however you wanna pronounce it, whatever it is. So this is a really great a blog kind of content. Obviously there will be tons of blogs, but those are extremely valuable, from founder wisdom to production. Okay, so let's go through their some of their contents. Okay, they don't have too many right now. As of right now they have in total six, but two of them are not yet published, I think. Yeah, two of them are not yet published, so they will be coming up with those sections obviously soon. And here are some upcoming guides about marketing, finding co-founder, and hiring, and product as well. But what they have right now are really great, really great. So if I go through one of their blogs, like this is one, how to launch a product to the world, and here they have actually talked about the actual point, like to the point of all of those things. Obviously there will be a introduction like that, but here also they have provided you information, rather than any jargons, any wasting of time, any like any words, like play of words, whatever. So they have gone straight to the point, like build the product, get beta user, collect feedback, iterate, do an official launch on product hunt, and bask in glory. So yeah, they have started giving you value from the line one, actually. Okay, so that's how great it is, to be honest. And while I was going through their this blog, like I have gone through this blog, so while I was going through this, I really had so much knowledge of the thing. Like they have explained it like in a great way, to be honest. And in some of their some of their vlogs, you will get some diagrams as well, like marketing examples. Now why I always mention about marketing example is like, here if you are, you can see. Okay, so why I always mention about marketing example is, marketing example is that one platform, by obviously by Harry, which I have found out, and which have helped me a lot. Like it helped me plethora amount. Okay, and it has really the purest best kind of content. And same actually goes with it. It also has like to the point, straight cuts, understandable content for you. Okay, so yeah, now they don't have too many topics around it, obviously, so I can't show you many more examples. But I think obviously they will add it yeah in obviously soon, like add it every now and then. Okay, all of those things. And you can join their email list as well if you want. What I would suggest, I would obviously do that because I love their content over here. Okay, so why not getting that into my like email newsletter directly? Okay, so that would be great, to be honest. So yeah, that's about it about this website. Like, what else should I explain you about this? This is just a promotion of this website, because they are providing a lots of value in your life. So yeah, that's it about this site. Please let me know what do you think about this size, because I really like them. And maybe if, in future I will refer to one or two of their blogs again and again to people whom I am meeting in future. I can do that. I obviously always now like refer my clients to that landing page guide of marketing examples, to make them understand what I want from them, like what the content should be, how the UI UX should be. So it ease out the process of ours as well. So obviously, to guide anyone, I will also share these blogs with someone in future, maybe. Okay, and let me know about your perspective as well in the comment section below. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you know some of the great platform like this, please let me know about all of them, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.